Welcome. This is Troy here talking about the March 10th TPA trade of the day. This trade I had noticed was doing this little ranging, okay, here. And I got a cross right there on the down on the major pattern. Now, normally I like to come from the most recent valley to a valley over here, which would have been this valley right there. But given the fact that I was here, I figured I would take the trade anyway, kind of close enough, right? Six in one hand, half dozen in the other. Figured that since we'd had some rejection on that level a number of times, it was likely we would come down at least a quarter to a half of the way through. And let me show you the end result of the trade under one circumstance. Okay, there's a win, barely, but there's a win. However, I actually got into this trade 42 seconds late. As such, when you get into the trade late, your opportunity to actually win could theoretically go down. Okay, particularly if I'm looking at trying to go halfway between here and capture it. When all things were said and done, I ended up getting in at 42 seconds. 42 seconds. We're at 40, 41, 42. So this is where I got in roughly. Okay, right there. Now notice price has moved down, which means that my execution ended right here. And what do you think happened to that wick that wicked me in as a win had I gotten in right at the right time? It didn't. Okay. That 1.5 pip difference or 2 pip difference from the 45 seconds it took for me to get into the trade was the difference between a win and a loss. There's the loss right there. So what would have been a winning trade ended up being a losing trade. Moral of the story is don't be late. Try to get in right when you're supposed to get in. Take the trade right when you're supposed to take it with your rules, and your winning percentages should increase. No big deal. We're still up in our overall trade points for the last 7 trades. We won 4, lost 3. And let's just see what the next trade has for us tomorrow.
Want this trade alert sent straight to your phone? Right now, get started for just $10 for your first month. Plus, you're backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee. Use the coupon code in the description, then head over to tradepatternalert.com to enroll today.